To find the absolute best papaya, look for deep golden skin, feel for soft, tender flesh, but most importantly, smell the butt. Of the papaya, that is. It should be sweet and it should be pleasant in aroma. When I'm making a salad without the greens, nothing's better than the Thai waterfall beef salad, featuring this perfectly ripened papaya. And check out these seeds inside. We call these jungle caviar. Now, believe it or not, these will actually have the flavor and texture of black pepper. Making a Thai marinade, it's all about that balance of sweet, spicy, salty, and sour. Lime for sour. Chili for spice. Brown sugar for sweetness. And my personal favorite, fish sauce for salt. I'm cooking flank steak. Flank steak is flavorful, it's juicy. Problem, it's a little bit tough. Solution, the papain in the papaya is a natural enzyme that tenderizes meat and is gonna break down this flank steak and make it soft. Marinade is in. Now it just needs a few hours to do its work. I got one marinated here. This doesn't even feel like the same steak. It's soft, it's tender. That papain has done its work. Now remember when I told you that the papaya seeds were gonna turn into peppercorns? That tastes exactly like papaya and peppercorns. When you're looking for a mortar and a pestle, you're really looking for heft. You're looking for that weight. Oh, so good. Oh, yes. Look at that caramelization. When it's treated correctly, flank steak is one of the best cuts of beef to grill. This is why I love flank steak so much. It's holding in all that juice, and you can just tell that it's super moist inside. Can't wait to cut into this. Let's try some of this, Missy.
Thank you, Chef.
Now I call this Thai waterfall beef salad, but for me, it's all about that papaya. We used it in the marinade, we used it as the peppercorns. It's so delicious. It even tenderized the beef.
It's amazing, Chef.
Fantastic. Waterfall beef salad. What a unique dish. You get the spicy, the sweet, the salty, and to use the jungle caviar, peppercorn seeds. Unique and delicious. Two of the things I love the most.